The sprayer leaks everywhere when the trigger is pulled, showing clear signs of a malfunction. This usually means the tip seal is worn out. Look at the obvious wear on this tip seal. It's time to replace it with a new one. Here are the tools you'll need: a new tip seal, the guard, and the tip. Let's get started. To remove the old tip seal, push the tip through the back of the guard. It'll pop out easily. Now, place the new tip seal onto the back of the tip, making sure it's seated properly. Insert the tip with the new seal into the back of the guard, aligning the seal with the half-moon shape inside. Then remove the tip. Screw the guard back onto the gun. Tighten it, then loosen it half a turn. Insert the tip and tighten the guard again to secure it. After replacing the tip seal, the sprayer works perfectly with no leaks.